Okay, now let's write the code for LCD in C language. For that, you need to open Kyle software, go to project, new Mi Vision project. On desktop, I have created one folder named LCD project. I want to save my project here in folder C. So LCD dot C. Sorry, only the LCD, the project name you have to give, save it, select the microcontroller that you want to use. Click new file. Now here you have to save this file with extension .c. Add that file to your project directory, and that's it. You are ready to write the code. Here is the code to display character on LCD screen. You have to initialize the C language code with #include register rt2.h library. Let's say the RS pin is connected to port 2.0 pin of microcontroller, RW pin of LCD to port 2.1, enable pin to port 2.2, and D0 to D7 pin of LCD to port 1.0 to 1.7 pin of microcontroller. S bit is like a hash defined in C language, simply used to rename the port pin with some other word. Here I am using RS for port 2.0, RW for port 2.1, and E for port 2.2. For more information about S-bit assembler statement, you can use help menu, search for the topic, and you will get the complete detail about S-bit assembler statement. Since we have two registers in LCD, one is data register and the another one is the command code register, we have two different methods, or we can say the procedures, to write data into these two registers. So send command, this particular function is used to send the value to command code register. Void send command unsigned int command value. So command value is the argument to our function. That command value I am giving it to port P1. So first of all, you have to write data to port pins. Then I want to write data, so that's why RW equals to 0. I want to write data into the instruction command code register. To select the instruction command code register, you have to write logic 0 to RS pin. Then to latch data present on port pin inside the LCD, first you have to give enable logic high. You have to maintain logic high for some delay, and then you have to give logic 0. So after completion of this process, the value present on port P1 will get latched inside the LCD. Similar kind of process is true for send data. Since whenever we want to send data to the data register of LCD, you have to use this function send data. Here the argument is data value. We are passing the data value content to port P1. Then since I want to write data, RW is 0. Now here the RS pin is equals to 1. That means I want to write data to data register. 0 for command register and 1 for data register. Then once I have written data on port P1 pin, I want to latch inside this data inside the LCD. I have to give enable logic 1, then some delay, and make enable pin 0. So when this function will get executed, the data value will get written onto port P1 pins, and when there is a enable 1, delay and 0, the data get latched inside the LCD. So now when this function get executed, data would be there in data register of LCD, and when this function would get executed, the data will get inserted into command code register. Here is the simple code to generate delay. Here I am using simple to for loop to create a delay of 1 millisecond. To initialize the LCD, we have to send some command to LCD. So the first command is 0x38. So send command, this function will write this data value, this value to command code register. So whenever we want the LCD to perform certain tasks, we have to give command to LCD. Giving command to LCD means writing some value to command code register. So 0x38 means I want to use 2 line and 5x7 matrix of LCD. Then 0E, that means display on cursor blink, and 0x01 to clear display screen of LCD. Then we want to display the embedded lab, these two words on LCD screen. The 0x80, this command means we are forcing cursor to first line. Send command 0x C0 means force cursor to second line. That means since we have LCD 16:2, means we have two different rows. So on first row I want to write embedded, and on second row I want to write lab, and I want this information to display continuously. That's why this complete information is under while one loop. These three are the function prototype to our declared functions. Now let's compile the code by clicking on all these three buttons. Zero error, again zero error, and build. Zero error means our code is syntactically correct. Now let's try to debug our written code. For that purpose, go to target options, select crystal frequency as 11.0592 megahertz. Output, create hex file. Okay. Then again build, translate, build and rebuild. Now go to debug. So here I am sending these values data to LCD. Now for that purpose, you can use peripherals, port P1 and port 2, P2. On port P1 we are sending data values, and port P2 we are sending control values, control signals, 2.0 to 2.2. Okay, now let's try to run this code step by step. So you will find some changes on port 2 and port 1 pin, but the visualization of code is not there because we are not simply we are not getting the values, or this character display in visualization with this peripheral port. So for that purpose, we can use Proteus software. For better visualization, open the Proteus software. And click new Proteus project. Give name to your project. In my case, it is LCD. Simply browse the location where you want to save your project. Then click next, finish. Click on IS. Choose the microcontroller that you want to use. And we need LCD also. Then simply do the connections. RS is connected to port 2.0, RW2 2.1 and enable to 2.2. Similarly, D0 is connected to port 1.0, port 1.1 to D1, like this. Make very quick connections. Double click on microcontroller. Make a frequency as 11.0592 megahertz. Browse the hex file of Kyle Vision project. Okay, and run the code. So here you will get the display embedded on first line and lab on second line. The value we are sending to LCD, this value is nothing but the ASCII value of character. Now how to send the ASCII value of character? Here, if I write E under single quote, that means the ASCII value of E is getting sent using function send data. Similar is true for other characters.